going to share with you a very easy and simple recipe of chicken that you can either fry or you can oven bake. I'll be oven baking it, so you can say it's a crispy chicken that you can bake it in the oven. So let's begin with the ingredients. For the ingredients you need a chicken. I'm using a small chicken. It's around 900 grams and I am using it with the skin. If you don't like the skin, you can use it without skin also. You need 2 egg whites. You need 1 cup of buttermilk. We'll be using 1 cup of flour, plain flour, 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In the dry spices we have 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper. You can substitute the white pepper with the black pepper, 3 to 4 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Prepare 1 teaspoon of salt from the dry spices and mix all of them together. Now we will apply these dry spices on the chicken. Now let this chicken rest for 15 minutes. Okay, for the buttermilk mixture, what I'm going to do is, as I told you, I used 1 cup of milk and I squeezed 1 lemon into it, half of the lemon into it. Okay, so you can see it's all thickening. You can use store-bought buttermilk also. I'm using the one that I made it here. Okay, so in the buttermilk I'll be adding 2 egg whites. Just whisk them. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, our bay leaves. Next, I'm going to add this chicken into this buttermilk mixture and I will let it sit for minimum 2 hours. I'll cover it with the plastic film and I will let it rest for 2 hours. Next step is you will take the flour, cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and the balance spices. Mix into this mixture and set aside, as we'll be using this mixture to coat the chicken once it is marinated. I'm just going to take out the chicken and I will dip the chicken into the flour mix. I have preheated my oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Put it like this on my wire rack. Okay friends, so this is the condition of my chicken. I coated them with the flour mix, okay, and I let them rest for around 20 minutes so that it will be completely damp. There shouldn't be any dry flour on top of the chicken. Like if you find any dry part, like dry flour, just brush it off like this. If there is any mark left, I'm just going to damp it with a dab of water, okay, because this will look very bad when we are going to bake the chicken. Just dab that white part or white flour portion. I I will again leave it on the counter for another 10 minutes because there is still some moisture there as I have dabbed it. And after that I'll put it into the oven and I will bake it for around 20 to 25 minutes from one side, and then I will flip it and then I will again bake it for another 25 minutes. Then I will show you the final outcome. Okay friends, so now after 1 hour my chicken is ready. You can see it's all brown and crispy from all the sides. I will dish it out and share with you the picture. Do try it and let me know your feedback in the comments. Thank you.